Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter L. In this lesson, you will be able to sound out the letter L. At the same time, you will be able to recognize pictures and words beginning with the sound of the letter L. Are you ready? L is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter L. How to write the uppercase letter L? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter L. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Slide right. This is a lowercase letter L. How to write the lowercase letter L? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter L. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter L. L is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter L sounds as L.
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.
Read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. L, la, lump. Le, lemon. Li, lip. Lo, lollipop. Lance. Let's practice. La, le, li, lo, la. Le, la, li, la, lo. Lo, li, le, la, la. Lo, la, li, le, la. Now it's your turn. Well done. La, ladder. La, ladle. La, lamb. La, lamp. La, land. La, lap. La, laptop. La, lava. La, laugh. Le, left. Le, leg. Le, lemon. Le, letter. Le, lettuce. Le, lever. Li, leak. Li, lead. Li, lip. Li, lipstick. Li, liquid. Li, list. Li, lizard. Law, lobster. Law, lock. Law, locker. Law, locket. Law, log. Law, lollipop. Law, lost. Law, lotus. Law, love. Law, lunch. Law, lungs. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter L. Ladder, ladle, lump, lump, lund, lop. Laptop, lava, loft, left, leg, lemon. Letter, lettuce, lever, leak, lead, lip. Lipstick, liquid, list, lizard, lobster, lock. Locker, locket, log, lollipop, lost, lotus. Love, lunch, lungs. More words beginning with the sound of the letter L. Lady, ladybug, llama. Lake, leaf, line. Lion, line, liar. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comments section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Lee, lead. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Law, lump. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is le, lemon. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lo, lotus. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is la, lava. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lizard. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lettuce. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lamb. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lollipop. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lipstick. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is lunch. Write the number of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter L. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter L. Lion, line, lake, leaves, locket, lyre. Practice writing the letter L on your notebook. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.